Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful shabby chic star shaped card with the shaker element, and I will also share how to make these super cute vellum flowers. They are looking very stunning and they are super easy to make. The card is looking so pretty. I will also share how to make the background, and it opens like this. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking my star base which I cut on 250 GSM white color cardstock, and also I have given the template of this star shape in the description box. You can check there. Now I am taking white cardstock base which measures 30 by 17 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and now just align your this star on top of your card. Keep little space from top like this, and then we just need to trace the star using pencil on the base. So I have already traced it exactly in the center. Now I am cutting this shape for the card base using my scissors. You need to cut both the layers together. And this is done. Card will look like this. Burnish the fold very well using bone folder. Then taking back my star cutout, and I'm going to make some texture on top of this. So here I'm taking my texture paste on the platform and mixing pink color spray to this. This is the color Splash by Little Birdie. Adding little bit of color. You can also use acrylic color or poster color, whatever you have, to mix it with the texture paste. Now mixing it very well using my palette knife. And very pretty baby pink color paste is ready. Then here I am taking this scroll stencil and applying my pink color texture paste on top of this using palette knife. Removing the stencil slowly and allow it to dry completely. Then it's dried and I'm going to adhere it on top of my card base. Like this. Then here I'm taking pink color cardstock and just measuring 3.5 centimeter on my rounder, and using 3.5 centimeter radius I am just making one circle on this pink cardstock. Then again I am measuring 2.7 centimeter radius and making one more circle inside the bigger circle. and then we just need to cut this ring using scissors and paper cutter, and the ring is ready. Now I'm going to stick one acetate sheet circle with this ring. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more acetate ring using white color cardstock. And then I have prepared one big bunch of rings with the same measurement. Here I have added total 7 rings with each other. And now I am adding acetate sheet ring on top of this bunch of the rings. Here I am making the shaker for my card. And this is done. Then taking back my card and sticking my acetate rings with the card base. Then exactly in the center I am attaching the sentiment hello. Here I am using the die by Dress My Craft, but you can also write the sentiment hello directly on the base using gel pen or permanent markers. Now I am just taking little talcum powder on the desk and using dry brush I am applying it all over the word hello and also on the edge, so that when we will pour shaker elements inside this, it will not adhere or stick with the word or on the edges. So before doing shaker procedure, always apply talcum powder on all the edges so that your shaker elements will flow nicely inside the shaker. And I am just adding some white color flower pearls, some hearts and glitter dust inside my shaker element. And then covering it using my pink color acetate ring which we have created earlier. And this is done, allow it to dry. Then I am starting with making vellum flowers. So here I am taking 110 GSM vellum paper and I have already cut this 5 petal flower, 2 in big and 1 in small size, and also the leaf. And I have given the template of all the shapes in description box, you can download from there. Now using the soft pastel in red and pink color, I am just taking little bit of color on my finger and applying it exactly in the center of each flower. It will give very nice shabby look to your flower. I am doing it from back side of the flower. And to color my leaves, I am directly applying soft pastel in dark green and light green color on the leaf and then spreading it evenly using my fingers. So coloring is done. Now rotate all the flowers and leaf and make it little moist using water spray, soaking the excess water using tissue paper. Then taking my embossing pad and small size groove golf tool, I am shaping my flower and leaf. Then on back side of the flower, I'm just pinching it exactly in the center using the brush. Then layering each petal, just offset your petals each time you attach the layer. And for the center of the flower, I am just using white color flower pearls and also sprinkling some glitter dust so that wherever the glue is there, it will attach with the glitter dust. And similarly, I have prepared total 3 flowers and 2 in small size and also some leaves. So this is done. Now taking back my card, and I am just decorating the edge of the circle using this gold mirror cardstock scallop ring. Then I am decorating one corner of the card using handmade flowers and leaves. Then wrapping one pink color thread on top of the star shape. And I have attached one golden bow on top of my pink wrap thread. Then randomly here and there I am adding some water droplets by Rest My Craft. Like this, and the super gorgeous shabby chic star shaped card is ready. You can write the message inside the card, and that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.